And so Arya's got Stormy on a leash. He's wading through our decorations.
Oh.
Stormy.
He's smelling for prey because he used to be a wildcat. So he's
Stormy
now
is
smelling prey.
Feral slash house cat now. He's eating, and now he's gonna try to attack his brother.
Oh no.
Stormy, that's your brother. It's just your brother Flip Flop.
Oh.
You know each other. Everybody's enjoying the sun. Okay, guys.
Well, what are you eating?
Say bye.